Alright, y'all, here we are. It's Bearded Yakking. As some guys who watch my videos, they call me Bearded Yanking. It's funny. It's hilarious. But, drinking a bitch beer tonight. Mike's Hard Lemonade, because my wife don't like them. She likes the other flavored ones. So I figure I drink these. Anyway, they got more alcohol in them than my other beer. My other beer is like 4 point something. This has 5%, so I'm gonna drink this bitch beer. So just gonna show you my ratchets. I know I showed another video, but I'm gonna show my ratchet set. Well, my ratchet collection again, and show some new additions to my ratchet collection. So we'll start at that. So we're going to get started with my Tractor Supply ones. This here is a double head. Let me put it up here. Double sided. It's a half inch 3/8. Nothing special. It's like 72 tooth double head ratchet offset. It's nice, I'll tell you. It's got a nice grip on there. That's a nice little ratchet for cheap. And this one here is the other double-headed offset. It's got a 3/8 and a 1/4 inch. So we got two of them. These are alright. I used them for a while, you know. Not really my go-to ratchet. Then yeah, we're still on the Tractor Supply one, so I picked this little guy up. This little guy's cool. Hard Knocks Forge won one of these off me in a live stream giveaway. You know what I mean? I asked him how he liked it. He said that thing's awesome. You know? Just click the head over, forward and reverse. You know what I mean? I've used it. I already used it. It's alright. I like it. You know, is it my go-to ratchet? Nah. It probably won't be a go-to ratchet. Be something for something quick. I might throw this in the travel box. You know what I mean? The new addition ratchet to the collection. Well, we'll see the new additions after we get through. By the way, that's a 3/8. And this here is my Stanley. I had this thing for quite a while. It's got some wear on it. Forget how many tooth this is. I forget the tooth count in it, but this is my Stanley. I used to use this thing all the time. Well, I still do occasionally. You know? So yeah, it's nice. It also came with this little 1/4 inch that I barely use. I barely use this guy. You know what I mean? Nice, cool little ratchet though. Fit it in your pocket. You know what I mean? I think I might have used this maybe a dozen times, if that. Because it'd have more wear scratches on it than this. just like this one. You know what I mean? Yeah, this guy here is pretty cool. Nice little ratchet. That's a Stanley. Now on to the new additions. I've had a couple new edition ratchets added to the collection. Couple videos, previous videos, you know what I mean? I'm gonna get started on this one Tractor Supply one. It's actually Job Smart. This here was my first flex head. This here was a new addition. You can actually get this at Tractor Supply for about 12 bucks. You know, it sounds good. 72 tooth or some shit like that. Might be more. Can't remember. But yeah, this thing's nice. I used it on the lawnmower. It worked out pretty good. You know what I mean? Nice ratchet from Tractor Supply, flex head for 12 bucks. Can't beat that. That's a bargain. You know what I mean? Then this here was a freebie off of a truck. Off a truck that swung in through work. Picked some shit up. He had a big ass skid of these. But they're all 1/2 inch. I should have grabbed a few off of them. This here is the Stanley black chrome. It's a 120 tooth ratchet. You know what I mean? Yeah, I should have grabbed. I should have told him to give me a few of these suckers. Could have gave them away. Did a giveaway for them. You know what I mean? But yeah, that's a new addition. Now the best new addition to all these ratchets. I did a video on this guy the other day. I mean, this thing is bad ass. It's the Steelman Pro 16 inch 1/2 inch drive. This thing is like a billy club. I mean, look at this guy. Look at that. This thing is massive. And it's a flex head. My second flex head added to the box. You know what I mean? And you click that up one time and locks the flex head, and you pop it up like that. Becomes a breaker bar or stationary like this. Straight shaft. You know what I mean? But yeah, this guy here, I love this thing. I gave it a good test, and it was nice. It was nice. This thing here is nice. You know what? It's all nice. Like, look at that. The whole thing don't even fit in there. You know what I mean? I got basically go like this to fit it all in the video. This here's a Steelman Pro though. It's nice ratchet, nice heavy duty, whopping 3 pounds. It's believe 72 tooth. Yeah, 72 tooth, nice and smooth too. Nice and smooth. This Stanley here is a 120 tooth. This Job Smart flex head for 12 bucks. Sounds like 72 tooth. I don't know. I'll have to go in the Tractor Supply and double check that. These guys here, 72 tooth. 72 tooth. $7 ratchet. You know what I mean? This thing's cool. Like I stated. These here, I forget how many teeth they are. I believe 72. Well, we're going to end this video now. Now that you've seen my ratchet collection and the new additions. So we're at 10 minutes flat. This is Bearded Yakking. Like, comment, subscribe. If you don't like my shit, then just, leave it down in the comment what you don't like, and we'll figure it out from there. This is Bearded Yakking, trying to bring a new video to you guys. Cheers. Good night.